Alright, we're just checking, making sure there's no check engine light. It should turn off soon, hopefully. Engine light's still on. There it goes off. Alright guys, another Ferrari 458 coming in for a exhaust install. So I have to take this car, all the stuff apart, sides and everything. Rear bumper, change the tip to this exhaust right here. Yep, fun, huh? Alright, so I got the exhaust in, it's inside. Put everything back, well, kind of hand tight, like this thing right here. It's not even in yet. All the screws are on the floor right there. I'll get them in. So, yep. Looks legit, huh? We'll start it up in a bit. Alright, this is how we start the Ferrari. Press this, hold down the brakes. And the brake light will flash, meaning that it's going to be off. Press this R button for reverse. Then I get to see what's behind me and I go backwards. Sure, just in case no one comes out from the side. Yeah. Oh, this guy's gonna get a check engine light for sure. It's freaking that cat smell. Alright, so to put in neutral, you have to press this shifter. I got it. There you go. And that concludes our exhaust install. IPE exhaust. IPE.